Hi guys, with another video. Today I would like to show this iMac 27-inch A1312. Uh, this was there's a problem with the graphic card, and I took all the parts, and I would like to talk about all this part. And so graphic card was I took it away. This is the graphic card, and what I did first, you just taking out the screen, then LCD display you're taking out, and after before starting you have to take it out to these RAMs, and the 4 RAM was underneath, right there underneath. It's 3 screw there, and it's just taking out. And here was power. This is the one which I took from there. This is the one. And after that, there was this is the one DVD place, and I took this one, couple of screws, and 3-4 screws, and then I took this fan from this place. Just there was one screw. I took it. I take it out, and after that, of course, what we do, this logic board, I take away from this iMac. That was the hard time. There's a lot of cables around this logic board, and underneath all these cable, power cable, underneath, I took it out. It's take me a while to take all these parts away. And what is the next step? I will bake this graphic card, because this computer has a problem with this card, and I will go ahead and put inside the oven, and 390 degree Fahrenheit, and then 8 minutes I will keep in the oven. And after that, I will try to all put together, and let's see is it gonna fix or not. I will let you know. So all about this, what I did, I just showing you that this computer iMac 27-inch A1312, and I took all the parts. This computer made 2011. This is a harder way to take it out the graphic card, and you have to take it first logic board underneath, and you have to take it 3 screws, then you can reach the graphic card. It was so hard. I will let you know after the baking the graphic card, and if it's gonna work. If it's not gonna work, well, what I can do. So overall, this is it. I hope this video helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.